morning, Celebrity Center London.
Hey, how you doing? This is Nick. Can I do a quick sound check? Can you hear me okay?
Okay, Nick who?
Lawson?
Okay. And you're calling with?
I'm just doing a quick sound. Okay, so you can hear me. Can you speak up a little?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Who are you calling with?
I'm not calling with anyone. I'm just calling by myself. I guess I have thetans inside me, but they're not really with calling me. I don't know. Can they hear me? I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm gonna play some music. I was hoping if you could tell me if it was loud enough for you, or it's too quiet. Hello? Damn.
Bonus call, Houston.
Thank you for calling. You've reached the Church of Scientology and the Hubbard Dynamics Foundation. Our hours are Monday through Thursday, 3:30 to 10 p.m., Saturday and Sunday starting at 9:30 a.m. Please leave us a message and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks and have a great day.
Monkeys! Monkeys! Oh boy, monkeys!
Brack, there's nothing funny about saying the word monkey. Unless, of course, they happen to be monkeys.
Monkeys!